Hi, I explain how to practice relational algebra and triple relational calculus. So there is a online tool. The link for the online tool is given in your workbook itself. Click that link, open. It redirected to one website called Relational Algebra Calculator. Click Get Started. So there are some tabs: Relational Algebra, Multi-set Algebra, TRC, Triple Relational Calculus, SQL, Group Editor, and so on. So before we practice our queries, we need a relation, that is table. Already there are some predefined tables available. So in the left hand side, if you click here, all the predefined tables database is available. For example, employee Franklin University. If you click on that, you see left hand side all the tables related to Franklin University has been listed. So you can use either the existing predefined tables or you can create your own table. Suppose if you want to create your own table, go to Group Editor, click Add New Relation, give the relation name. Relation means a table name, student, name of the column SID, type string, and S name, type string, student ID, we can have a number, and department, type string, age, type number. We can add data also here. Student name AA. You click OK. When we click OK, you see we get some error. The error is nothing but the database name is missing. So for that, above this line, you type the statement group colon some database name, example, you give. Now you see that error has been removed. Click preview. The table has been created with the data. Now the left hand side, if you want to list out our newly created table, you click this use group in editor. If you click on that, our table has been listed in the left hand side. And now we'll practice relational algebra and triple relational calculus. For relational algebra, for example, if you want to project the student name, ID, everything, click pi space student name, comma, student department, parenthesis, student. This is a relational algebra statement to list out the name of the student and department. Click query. You see all the 4 rows has been displayed with the department, student name and department. Suppose you can also use a projection symbol. For example, if you want to list out only CSE student, you click selection statement. You give the query predicates, that is DEPT equal to CSE. Like that we can give. So better to give a proper parenthesis. Parenthesis not must, but in this tool, but it is better to give parenthesis for clear explanation. Now you click execute. Now you see only 2 rows has been displayed with the student name and department who study in the CSE department. So like that we can practice all the relational algebra statements, all these relational algebra statements. Suppose if you want to practice triple relational calculus, you can go to TRC, this tab. Here we can type set of all tuple such that T belongs to student and T of suppose I want to list out only the department CSE, T of department equal to CSE. Here we are getting error because this is the actual syntax of tuple relational calculus, but in this tool it is enough to mention only the column name instead of the tuple name T. Okay, now this is the tuple relational calculus. Click execute query. See the query with the rows with the CSE department has been listed. Like that we can practice triple relational calculus, tuple relational calculus. For example, if you want to practice the axis case of tuple relational calculus, here in this tool it is enough to mention set of all T such that T belongs to student and department equal to CE. This is the actual syntax. But if you want to list out only the particular column T dot S name, like that we can mention. Instead of the axis, here it is mentioned T dot S name. T dot S name, instead of all the details, only the name of the student who study in CSE department gets executed. You see, only the name of the student gets executed. Like that we can practice relational algebra, tuple relational calculus, or tuple relational calculus, SQL, and so on. Thank you for